In this tutorial, I want to show you the prospects group. To get to the screen, if you're on any other screen in Act, simply click on Groups over here on the left-hand side. Once inside here, you're going to go up to Groups, New Group, and in this case, I'm going to type in 0003. As you can see, I keep sort of a numbered order here, and I'm going to type in Prospects. I'm going to click Next on Add Remove Contacts. I'm going to click on Edit Criteria to create a rule. And I'm going to say, listen, if the ID status is equal to, and I'm going to click on the drop down, and you'll notice it says equal to. I could start typing out EQ, but I'm going to click on equal to, and I'm going to type in prospect. I'm going to click on Add to List, and I'm going to click on Preview, and I have 86 prospects. So I'm going to click OK. OK again, and now I have my prospects. That's how you do it. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day, and thank you for being here. Be well, my friends.